Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Napdengkin 2000 ki Shnong ki bidan hapok ke Jela Meghalaya ke Meghalaya East Control Society ke labo ya ke Thong ban pen kod hadu san Spah Tylli ki Shnong ban Pynsngewthuh pat ba ha ke bede ba ki bere ke biyo ya ke jingpang HIV hapo arbanai habe keren bekla pathai ke bor ke project director Jela Meghalaya East Control Society ke Dr. B Cruz ke letho ba ke mag sakak atrik ubnai nailar kan seplat pat ba ya ke intensified IEC campaign ajar phosau ha ke sngi barakhe ya ke International Youth Day. Yakin di campaign on sepelong house auditorium ha ke Menteri Sarkar pet yakatran ka koi kakya kan suan pelat pat ba yakin di IEC campaign ajar phosau.
Of course, like what Madam said, this campaign will
to provide comprehensive information to you about the intensified IEC campaign organized by the National AIDS Control Organization. It will be launched on the 12th August on the occasion of the International Youth Day. The launch will take place across the country in all the states and union territories through state AIDS control societies. And the campaign will continue for 2 months. The main objectives of this campaign are: number 1, to enhance knowledge and understanding of HIV and STI among the general population. And number 2, to promote safe practices, reduce stigma and create demand for HIV STI services among the general population. There will be different activities at the national level, at the state level, at the district level, and also at the village level. At the state level, Meghalaya AIDS Control Society will launch this campaign on the 12th of August at Thong Auditorium at 11 a.m., where our Honorable Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Mazel Lingdor, will grace the occasion as a chief guest, and besides other dignitaries. The Government of India has been implementing the National AIDS Control Program by providing HIV/AIDS prevention, testing and treatment services, and aim at ending this HIV/AIDS as a public health threat by 2030. Although HIV prevalence in the country is at low prevalence, which is at 0.21%, but there are 25.44 lakh people living with HIV in the country, and 18.06 lakhs are on treatment, that is on ART treatment. This last year, that is to 23 to 24, is 68,450. Coming closer in our state, our adult HIV prevalence is higher than the national average, that is at 0.42%. Number of people living with HIV as on June 2024 is 9,130. Started on treatment, that is on ART, are 8,354. Those who are alive and on treatment are 6,250. And the new HIV infection for the year, that is for 2023 to 24, is 1,524. So these figures underscores the urgent need for intensified efforts to combat the HIV/AIDS epidemic. In order to enhance the knowledge levels of the general population, especially youth, and equip masses with correct information about HIV/AIDS across the state, and to ensure the success of the campaign, I request all of you to provide support by your active participation and media coverage throughout the duration of this campaign.
just like specifically on the 12th of August, but we'll be doing it like at the district, all the districts as well. This is in order to inculcate more, to create more awareness on the topic of HIV and AIDS. Also, we'll be running a social media campaign, which is an 8-week campaign on the routes of transmission, then prevention methods, condom promotion. We'll be talking about sexually transmitted infections and other parts of the program. Besides the rally, social media campaign, we'll also be having special camps at government hospitals. These are all the districts. Basically, to provide free HIV, STI testing, counseling and treatment services, as well as slum interventions. Of course, in Meghalaya, we still don't have as much slums as comparatively as other cities in India. But looking at the numbers that we have right now, we have about 5 slum areas within Meghalaya. So we'll be targeting these slum populations as well. Besides that, we'll be having folk performances and flash mobs and all these for these 2 months period. We won't be having the folk performances and flash mobs for the straight 500 villages, but we'll be targeting it at the village level as well as semi-urban and urban areas. Besides, we'll be using the medium of radio and TV as well to create more awareness. Of course, the main target during this campaign will also be the youth. So we'll be having a lot of awareness sessions in colleges and schools as well. And besides that, at the village level activity will be collaborating a lot with the district administration through the office of the VDOs as well, like to target the village heads of these villages that we're going to be targeting. We'll also be having school outreach programs, and also will be targeting all the health and wellness centers, as well as IPC sessions during the village health sanitation and nutrition day. Besides also disseminating information on HIV and STIs at all the health wellness centers and villages through IEC materials. Because we have Kumban Rivajatam ki villages in Meghalaya, then Rivajatam thinking Malana will cover with the youth in Target Spah, like covering the high prevalence areas as well.